Hey gardeners, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to keep your garden flourishing. Are gnats swarming around your plants driving you crazy? These tiny pests can be a real nuisance. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple and effective ways to get rid of gnats and keep your plants thriving. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you maintain a healthy, gnat-free garden. First off, let's understand the problem. Knowing your enemy is the first step to winning the battle. Gnats are small flying insects that thrive in damp soil, where they lay their eggs. They are particularly attracted to the moisture and organic matter in the soil. These larvae feed on organic matter and can damage your plants if left unchecked. They can cause root rot and other issues that can severely affect plant health. Not sure if gnats are your problem? It can be tricky to identify them at first. Look for these signs: tiny flies hovering around your plants, sticky traps full of gnats, or damp, overwatered soil. These are clear indicators that gnats have made themselves at home in your garden. If you spot these, you've likely got a gnat issue. But don't worry, identifying the problem is the first step towards solving it. Now let's get rid of those gnats. Follow these steps to reclaim your garden. Step 1. Let the soil dry out between waterings. This is crucial because gnats thrive in moist environments. Gnats love moisture, so drying out the soil will help disrupt their breeding cycle. Most plants prefer this too. Make sure to water your plants only when the top inch of soil is dry. Step 2. Use yellow sticky traps. These are an excellent way to catch adult gnats. Place these near your plants. They're great for catching adult gnats before they can lay more eggs. The bright yellow color attracts the gnats and the sticky surface traps them. Step 3. Apply neem oil or hydrogen peroxide. These natural remedies are effective and safe for your plants. Treat the soil with a neem oil solution or a mix of hydrogen peroxide and water. Neem oil acts as a natural insecticide, while hydrogen peroxide helps to oxygenate the soil and kill larvae. These kill larvae without harming your plants. Regular treatments can help keep the gnat population under control. And if the infestation is severe, step 4 is to repot your plant with fresh, sterile soil. This might seem like a lot of work, but it's worth it to save your plants. This ensures you eliminate all the larvae and start fresh. Make sure to clean the roots thoroughly before repotting. For future prevention, avoid overwatering, use well-draining soil, and consider adding a layer of decorative pebbles to block gnats from accessing the soil. These pebbles not only look good but also serve a practical purpose. Say goodbye to gnats and hello to happy, healthy plants. With these tips, your garden will be thriving in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you with your gardening journey. Text overlay. Subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.